my VS Code by mistakenly or anyway, bottom bar is hide. So how I can back it? I know there are two options. The top bar you see this customers icon. So click this custom layout. Layout is open. Here status bar is hide. So just click and see. Your status bar is now showing. Okay, this is method 1. Method 2. Same, this bar is hide. So how I can back it? This is your menu bar. You click view, then appearance, and same option status bar. Click this status bar, and here bottom bar is now showing. So that's it. If you feel this video is helpful, you can like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.